Louin, Mississippi experienced a devastating nocturnal tornado Sunday night as severe weather spread across the lower Mississippi Valley. Many homes and structures are damaged or completely destroyed after the tornado, and the neighborhoods are unrecognizable. Homes were completely wiped off of their foundations, spreading belongings and building materials across the roads and properties. At least 18 are injured, with one person confirmed dead due to the tornado. As of Monday morning, more than 42,000 customers are still without power in the central counties of Mississippi where the severe weather was hitting on Sunday overnight. The National Weather Service sent out the tornado warning just before midnight local time, warning of the confirmed tornado, including the damaging winds and hail involved. This was just one of many tornadoes that touched down in Mississippi overnight, leading to more damages across the central counties. The National Weather Service is conducting reviews of the areas damaged to determine the tornado strength.